Hello, welcome to ECON 260, Comparative Economic Systems. My name's Jim Luke. I'm your professor for the course. I am really excited to be here. I'm excited about a bunch of things about this course, and I'm looking forward to talking to you. Now, as I said, my name's Jim Luke. Now, there's a few things I want to introduce first. I'm kind of a bit at odds here. But I want to get you started on the course, and that's proving to be a bit of a problem this semester. And here's why. Because first off, I'm going to be doing a lot of some pedagogical experiments, I think is the formal educational term for it. Basically, I'm going to be experimenting a little bit here in how to teach. I've been teaching this course for quite a while, and over the years, I play around and I've done some different things. But basically, I'm doing two things that are a little bit different for me this year. First off, if you've read the syllabus, you already kind of understand this or read the intro post on Desire to Learn. And that is, we're going to be doing a different approach this semester. Most of you are probably used to online classes or even face-to-face classes where the whole model is, professor is big expert, professor knows. Professor passes on wisdom to you, and you just absorb it, by reading or whatever. We're going to do this a little bit different. First off, there's not one course site that has all of the perceived wisdom in it. We're going to actually build that site together. And I'm going to do what's called a connected course. A connected course is a thing that some other universities have experimented with. University of Mary Washington, Virginia Commonwealth, Oklahoma, and some others. Basically, what I'm going to do is, with a little bit of exception, we're going to do our course in public. Now, I've set up a website. I have a bunch of websites of my own. These are not supported by the school. A website called compsys.econprof.net. That's econprof with a P-R-O-P-H. And no, I'm not trying to be cute and think I'm a prophet predicting the future. It's just that econprof, P-R-O-F, was already taken. So anyway, I've set up a course site there, and if when you want to find out what I have to say, assignments, directions, instructions, that's all going to be there at compsys.econprof.net. Now that website is actually a thing called a WordPress blog site. It's just one that I support and manage. You're going to get your own WordPress blog site. I'm going to set it up on my server. You'll be getting instructions in the next few days as to how to access it, how to customize it. You can make it look however you want. You can post a bunch of things to it. You will post your course material there. You're going to write in response to discussions. You're going to find stuff on the web for us. Could be videos, could be other articles. You're going to comment on it. You're going to do that on your own website. You're going to create your own blog. Now, your own blog is your blog. And what I mean by that is at the end of the semester, if you want to keep it and have your own website forever, fine, you can do that. I'll give you instructions how to export it, how to get it set up on WordPress.com or somewhere else or some other web host. That can be done for like $20 a year if you want to have your own website forever. You can do that. Plus, you can post other things on your website as long as you don't put a certain tag in them, then they won't show up in our course. So you're going to post on your website. When you post on that, automagically in the background, the compsys.econprof.net site is going to reach in, read your stuff, and pull a link to it and a summary back to the main compsys.econprof.net site so that all your fellow students can see what you've done. And then they can react on their own sites. So this is a bit of an experiment. I am really excited about it. There's a lot of other stuff, and I had really great plans for this. Now, I've also got doing another experiment, which, if I'm lucky, you haven't noticed what that is. If I'm not, I hope you be patient with me. That is, I'm moving into video. I've been on video a lot. I've been interviewed for the news a lot over the years. but I really don't do much of my own stuff. So this is my first. I'm talking to you and setting up my own video, putting it on my own YouTube channel, and posting it for the course. When you get your blog set up, you will be able to post and embed YouTube videos, other kinds of things in it very simply. It only takes a few clicks. So that's the experimental part. That's the exciting part. Now, you'll still use the Desire to Learn course site at LCC, but you're only going to use it for those things that we can't do in public, namely giving you the quiz. You take the quiz and reporting the grades. Everything else we're going to do in these various blog sites. Now, there's a couple of issues that have popped up that I need to talk to you about. First off, as you already have figured out probably, got off to a little bit of a rough start because they kept me busy in meetings all last week, and so I kind of got delayed setting up some of this new tech stuff. I had hoped to have that done today. Today is Wednesday of the first week, but I have run into a bit of a personal problem. That is, I've had a death in my family. A very sort of not unexpected, but a very, very close aunt of mine who's been very close to me and my family and my son, and that just happened yesterday, and that's kind of messed up my schedule a little bit. So what I'm asking from you is please be patient with me for just a few more days. Basically, I'm going to wait till this weekend, try to get these websites all set up, and then push the reset button at that point. I know a lot of you are anxious to really get rolling. What you can do is read the syllabus, take the Unit 1 quiz in Desire to Learn. It's now ready. You take that quiz. It's about the syllabus. That'll help you get started. That'll get you points. Second thing you can do is download the Angus Madison book. Again, there's a link in D2L. I'm going to post a link on the ECON Prof site as well. And you can download it and start reading it. You're going to have to read it over the next 4 weeks. So if you just be a little bit patient, I would really appreciate it. I'll be talking to you more. Over the next few days, a lot of stuff's going to start popping up on compsys.econprof.net. Thank you. I'm looking forward to this. I hope we have a lot of fun. And I just ask you to be patient. Hopefully this should be a lot of fun, and it's going to be okay. You know, I'm kind of a loose guy, and just do some of the work. We'll get through this, and we'll learn something. And if we can do that, that's great. Goodbye. We'll talk to you later.